Make sure to follow my steps if you want to fix GIGASWORD issues. For the first step, go to the Windows icon. After that, go to Settings. Now go to Windows Update, bottom left corner, and select this button right here in order to update your Windows system in order to prevent any issue happening. After that, go to the search again and type in Device Manager. Select this application right here. Once this opens like this, go straight to Display Adapters and then go to your graphics card, right click on it and select the first option. Pursue selecting the first option. After that, click Close. Now go to Processors and do the same thing right here. Select Search Automatically for Drivers and then click Close. After that, go to the Windows taskbar, click on this upside arrow. If you do find the Steam icon running like this, right click on it and select Exit Steam. Once done, you need to wait for a couple of moments. After that, you need to relaunch the Steam launcher again. From here, you need to go to Library and select Collections. You need to look for GIGASWORD downloaded, select it and then click on this gear icon and click on Properties. Select Installed Files. After that, select this Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to finish till the end. It will start by recovering any corrupted or missing files. Alternatively, you should go to the Steam icon top left corner and select Settings. Now, you need to go to Downloads. After that, select Clear Cache, select Confirm. After that, go to Storage, select the right drive that you have GIGASWORD on, click on this gear button. After that, select Repair Library, and that's it. If you do find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.